Hey, it's Ryan with Parts Doctor, and today I'm going to show you how to replace the control panel assembly on this LG dishwasher. You'll need a Phillips screwdriver. Let's get started. If any or all of the buttons are unresponsive, the display doesn't read correctly or flashes, or the machine randomly beeps, you may have a bad control panel. For this repair, unplug or disconnect power to the dishwasher. With the door open, start by removing these 6 Phillips screws. Before removing the final screw, make sure you are supporting the control panel. Now, carefully pull the control panel away from the door, as it is still connected by wires on the right-hand side. Next, disconnect the electrical connector by depressing the locking tab. If you have a bad control panel and you need to purchase a new one, you can check out our website, partsdoctor.com. We'll leave a link in the description below. You want to make sure that you're searching with the model number from the tag on your dishwasher to make sure you get the correct part. The circuit board is not sold separately from the control panel. To install the panel, align the connector and push until it snaps in place. Then, align the tabs on the control panel to the slots on the door. Rotate it back in place and reinstall the Phillips screws. Make sure not to over-tighten the screws. With everything put back together, test it out to make sure that everything is functioning properly. So that's it for this video. If you have any tips or tricks of your own, let us know in the comments below. And if you like fixing things, please consider subscribing.